Welcome back to NetProfitNinja, your go-to channel for making money online. Today we're exploring Suno AI, a revolutionary music creation tool for 2025. Whether you're a musician, content creator, or just want to tap into the music industry, Suno AI lets you create high-quality songs with no experience required. But it doesn't stop there. Suno AI also offers a referral program, allowing you to earn passive income by promoting the platform. In this video, we'll show you how to make money with Suno AI through music creation, selling, offering services, and the referral program. Ready to learn how to earn with one of the most exciting AI tools? Let's dive in. Introduction to Suno AI. Suno AI is not just another generic music tool. It's an advanced AI-powered music generation platform that caters to both beginners and professionals. Whether you're new to music creation or have years of experience, Suno AI provides you with a seamless way to compose and produce tracks effortlessly. With such powerful tools at your disposal, it's no wonder that Suno AI has become one of the leading AI music platforms in 2025. But what makes it even more lucrative is the referral program that allows you to make money just by inviting others to use the platform. Understanding the Suno AI referral program. Suno AI's referral program is one of the most accessible ways to start making money with the platform. The program works by rewarding users with free credits whenever someone signs up using their unique referral link. These credits can be used to access premium features, such as generating more songs, unlocking advanced tools, or remastering tracks. How does the referral program work? Here's how it works. 1. Sign up for Suno AI. To participate in the referral program, you first need to create a free account on Suno AI. 2. Access your referral link. After signing up, you'll be given a unique referral link. This link is tied directly to your account and tracks all signups and activity generated through it. 3. Share the link. You can share this link with friends, family, followers, or even on social media platforms. Every time someone clicks on your link, signs up for Suno AI, and creates at least 10 songs, you'll earn credits. 4. Earn credits. Once the person you referred completes the required action, you both receive 250 free credits. This can be used to further expand your music production capabilities within the platform. Benefits of the Suno AI referral program. Passive income potential. The beauty of the referral program is that it's essentially a passive income stream. Once you share your referral link, you don't need to do anything else. As long as people sign up through your link and use the platform, you'll earn credits without additional effort. No investment required. The best part? You don't need to spend money up front to get started. You simply need to sign up, get your referral link, and start promoting. Maximizing your referral earnings. To make the most out of the Suno AI referral program, consider the following tips. Promote on social media. Use platforms like Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram to share your referral link. Music-related groups, forums, and communities are also great places to share your link. Leverage YouTube. If you're a content creator, consider making a YouTube video about your experience with Suno AI. You can add your referral link in the video description, offering your audience a chance to explore the platform while you earn credits. Offer tutorials or reviews. Sharing tutorials or reviews on how to use Suno AI effectively will naturally attract people interested in music creation. By explaining how it works, you provide value, and in return, people are more likely to use your referral link. Reach out to music communities. Online communities, such as Reddit, music production forums, and Discord groups, are excellent places to engage with individuals interested in creating music. Offering your insights and sharing your referral link can help generate signups. Earning money with Suno AI's music creation features. Now that we've covered the referral program, let's focus on the core features of Suno AI that allow you to earn money through music creation. Whether you're an artist or a content creator, there are plenty of ways to monetize your music. 1. Selling your music. One of the most direct ways to make money with Suno AI is by selling your music. With the tracks you create on the platform, you can distribute them across various streaming platforms like Spotify, Apple Music, and SoundCloud. Here's how. Distribute to major streaming platforms. After creating a track on Suno AI, you can distribute it to streaming platforms through distribution services like TuneCore, DistroKid, or CD Baby. These services ensure that your music gets on platforms like Spotify, iTunes, and Amazon Music. You'll earn royalties every time someone streams or downloads your music. Sell your music on Bandcamp. Bandcamp allows independent artists to sell their music directly to their fans. You can set your price, offer different versions of your tracks, and even bundle albums for special promotions. With Suno AI's ability to generate high-quality music quickly, this is a great option to build a catalog of tracks and sell them. Here's a track I made with Suno AI, showcasing its effortless, high-quality music creation. 2. Licensing your music. Another profitable way to earn money with Suno AI is through music licensing. Licensing allows you to sell the rights to your music for use in various media projects, such as commercials, films, or video games. Here's how to get started. Music licensing platforms. Platforms like MusicBed, Artlist, and Epidemic Sound allow you to upload your music and license it for commercial use. If your tracks are used in films, advertisements, or other media, you'll earn licensing fees. Direct licensing. If you have a strong online presence or network, you can also reach out to filmmakers, advertisers, and content creators directly. Offer your tracks for specific projects and negotiate a licensing fee that suits your work. 3. Offering music production services. With Suno AI, you can also offer music production services to others. Whether you're creating original songs, providing background music for YouTube videos, or composing jingles for businesses, there's a demand for music in all types of media. Here's how to approach this. Freelance music production. Websites like Fiverr, Upwork, and Freelancer allow you to offer custom music production services. You can list Suno AI as a tool you use, making it clear that you can quickly generate high-quality music tailored to client needs. Collaborating with content creators. Many content creators, especially on YouTube and TikTok, need royalty-free music for their videos. Reach out to these creators and offer your services. They can pay you a flat rate for a custom track or purchase a license for your pre-created music. 4. Creating and selling sound packs. If you're into sound design, you can use Suno AI to generate specific sound packs for producers and musicians. These can include beats, melodies, and instrument loops that others can incorporate into their own projects. By packaging these sounds together and selling them on platforms like Splice or Loopmasters, you can create an additional revenue stream while contributing to the broader music production community. Suno AI is one of the most exciting tools for making money online in 2025. With its incredible music creation features, referral program, and opportunities for licensing, selling, and offering services, the platform is a goldmine for those willing to put in the effort. Whether you're a music creator, freelancer, or someone looking to share the tool with others, there's a wealth of potential for passive income. By leveraging the referral program and combining it with strategies like music production, branding, and collaboration, you can start building a sustainable income stream. So what are you waiting for? Sign up for Suno AI today, get your referral link, and start earning. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on more ways to make money online. Check out this video for the laziest way to make money online. I'll see you in the next video. Take care.